A lesson from an elderly father and his son. A son invited his father to a restaurant to enjoy a delicious dinner. The father was quite old and frail. While eating, some food occasionally fell on his shirt and trousers. Other customers looked at the elderly man with distaste, but his son remained perfectly calm. When they finished eating, the son, without feeling any embarrassment, calmly helped his father and took him to the washroom. He gently wiped the leftover food from his father's wrinkled face, tried to clean the stains from his clothes, lovingly combed his white hair, and finally adjusted his glasses. When they came out of the washroom, a deep silence fell over the restaurant. No one could understand how someone could embarrass themselves like this. The son went to pay the bill, but just before leaving, an old man among the customers stood up and asked him, "Don't you think you left something behind?" The young man replied, "No, I didn't leave anything." Then the old stranger said, "Yes, you did. You left a lesson for every son and hope for every father." The silence in the restaurant was so profound that you could hear a pin drop. One of life's greatest honors is to care for those elders who once cared for us. Our parents and all those elders who sacrificed their lives, time, money, and energy for us deserve our utmost respect.